Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with eTrade Mobile for on-the-go trading step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the eTrade Mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app once it finishes downloading. Tap on Create Account if you are a new user, or log in if you already have an account. For new users, complete the required fields to set up your account. Enter your personal information such as name, email address, and social security number. Create a strong password and choose a security question for additional protection. Agree to the terms and conditions, then tap Submit to create your account. For existing users, enter your username and password on the login screen. If you forget your password, tap on Forgot Password to reset it. After logging in, take a moment to explore the user interface. Familiarize yourself with the home screen, which displays your portfolio and market updates. To make a trade, tap on the trade icon at the bottom of the screen. Select the type of asset you wish to buy or sell, such as stocks, ETFs, or options. Enter the symbol of the security you wish to trade in the search bar. Once you've found the security, tap on it to view more details. Choose whether you want to buy or sell the asset. Enter the number of shares or contracts you want to trade. Select your order type, such as market order or limit order. Review the details of your trade, including price and total cost. If everything looks good, tap Preview Order to check for any issues. After confirming the order details, tap Place Order to complete the trade. You will receive a confirmation message once your order is successfully placed. To track your trades, return to the home screen and navigate to the Portfolio section. Keep an eye on market changes and adjust your investments as needed. Use the News and Research sections for insights and additional information. Stay informed with notifications for important market events and opportunities. You are now ready to trade on the go using eTrade Mobile. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.